So hello and welcome back to Gourmet Coins and Banknotes, and this is the UV series. So today we are just looking quickly at the current New Zealand banknotes, except for the $100, which I don't have. So what we want to see is the actual UV of the actual banknote itself. Once again, this is a UV torch. It's also just a normal torch, so it's got normal light. Obviously, you can actually use this to see the other security features that are actually on the banknote. So the reflection of the holograms, and you can check to see if there's any watermarks in the actual banknote. Okay, so what we want to look at is the UV features. So you put on UV light, and the main security feature on the front of the note is just 5 in between the bird, whatever bird that is. It looks like a penguin, and the number 5, and the serial numbers don't come up as UV. If you look on the back side of the banknote, there is nothing. Oh wait, it looks like the 5 is, but no. Okay, so if you look at the $10 banknote, you can see the same thing. So they've got 10, but it is moved at a different location up where the country's name is, and on the back of the banknote. So this bird, actually, I find this bird very fascinating. Huyo. So it's obviously a Maori name, and it has the name of the country in English as well as Maori. Okay, the $20 banknote, Queen Elizabeth II, and he has the 20, no other UV security features. Here's the back of the banknote. So banknote is quite good because, here's the 50, and once again, I need that UV security feature. So New Zealand banknote is actually quite good because the actual printing of the bird is actually far superior than they do in Australia. So obviously these most likely come from Canada. Got different colours. In Australia, they usually only use one colour. It makes Australian banknotes pretty disappointing. But anyway, that is pretty disappointing in the UV features of these banknotes. So once again, all you have is pretty much just the value of the denomination as a UV feature. So anyway, I'll end the video here. Maybe you can actually buy one of these and do this yourself and see what you come up with the banknotes in your collection.